name is Piyush Thakur from class 7A. Today I am going to solve the sum of Pythagoras theorem. I have made the model of this sum. So here the wall. Here
This is what Pius?
this is a ladder.
This is our house. Then?
And this is the ground.
Hmm.
So I will put this ladder here,
Hmm.
and the distance between the wall and the ground is 5 meter.
Yes.
And the distance between the wall and the foot of ladder is 12 meter.
Okay, very good. Now, this is what?
This is ladder. This is a ladder.
Ladder. Next.
Here is a right triangle. This is
Where you can see right triangle?
here.
This one.
This one is the right triangle, and
Okay.
the opposite side of the right triangle is hypotenuse.
Opposite side of right angle.
Right angle is
Yeah.
hypotenuse.
Next.
So here we have to calculate the length of the ladder. So here the base is equal to 12 meter. The perpendicular is equal to 5 meter. So here we have to write the formula also. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular 5 meter 5 plus 12. Hypotenuse square is equal to 25 plus 144. Hypotenuse square is equal to 169. Hypotenuse is equal to root over of 169. Hypotenuse is equal to 13 into 13. So we got the hypotenuse, which is 13 meter. So the length of the ladder is 13 meter. Thank you. Hello everyone, myself Imon Saha.
And myself Lokesh Kumar.
We are from standard 7B. So here we are going to solve a sum of Pythagoras theorem. So here we are having two electric poles. One is 18 meter long and second one is 13 meter long. And the distance between their feet are 12 meter. So here we have to calculate the distance between their heads. So here we draw a line, and it is measuring 12 meter because base is equal to 12 meter, because it is same to the feet. And here we have to calculate this area. So we will going to subtract 18 meter minus 13 meter. Answer we will get 5 meter. So perpendicular we will get perpendicular is equal to 5 meter. So here we have to calculate the hypotenuse. So the formula of hypotenuse is equals to
Hypotenuse formula is hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Hypotenuse square equals to, as it is given, 5 is the perpendicular. So 5 square plus
base
12 square. Hypotenuse square equals to 25 plus 144. Hypotenuse square equals to 169. So hypotenuse will be root 169 equals to hypotenuse equals to 13 into 13. We got hypotenuse 13.
13 what? Meter.
13 meter. So the distance between their top is 13 meter. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am Ritik Bandwal.
Myself Abhishek.
I have made this project.
This is a rectangular field which is to be fenced 2 times with a wire, and the length of the field is 500 meter and the breadth of the field is 300 meter. So to find the length of the wire, first we will calculate the perimeter. So the perimeter formula of a rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth is equals to 2 into, and the length is 500 meter plus 300 meter. is equals to 2 into 800 meter. 2 into 800 meter is equals to 1600 meter. So now we have got the length of the wire of one round. So one round of the wire measures 1600 meter. To find the another round, first we will calculate 2 round of the wire is equals to 2 into 1600 meter is equals to 3200 meter. So we have got the length of the wire which is to be fenced 2 round of the field. And our final answer is equals to 3200 meter. Thank you.
Hello everyone, myself Preeti Kumari of Standard 6. Hello everyone, myself Monica Kumari Rajak from Standard 6. We are representing integer board. This is a number line. Right hand side 0 called positive integer, left hand side 0 called negative integer. So our first question is 6 plus minus 8. First we will go positive integer side is 6, then we will come back minus 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will come minus 2, then answer is minus 2. So our second question is minus 4 plus 10. So we will come in minus 4. Minus 4 plus 10. Minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our answer is 6. Thank you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Anna Kumar Singh. I am studying in class 6B. Today I am doing math. The question is the cost of putting a fence around a square field at ₹25 per meter is ₹2000. The length of each side of the field. The question I have make a model. The question means how many wire need for fencing a square. First we have to find the perimeter. The perimeter formula is equal ₹2000 divided by ₹25. Then we have to find the perimeter of a square. Side equal 20 centimeter. The 20 centimeter of wire is needed for fencing a square field. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Nishant Kumar.
I am Ujjwal Kumar.
I am Sumit Kumar.
I am Sushant Verma.
We are discussing about square field.
So what you are going to find in square field?
The grass field.
And what?
And part.
Okay, area path you are going to show, and
Area
then
path is 14.5 centimeter. One side.
okay, next.
All sides are 14.5 centimeter.
Then so
The
area of the
area-
field,
Area of equals to
area field, na?
area of field equals to 210.25 centimeter square.
How you are getting this answer?
Length into breadth.
No, in the square
Into.
Eh,
you have to multiply.
multiply.
So side into side.
Side
na?
into side.
This is one side, this is another side. So side into side. Then what you are going to do?
Answer is 210.25 centimeters square.
Okay, and then
We calculate the area of road.
how?
Road is
How you will calculate?
we have we
Good morning everyone. My name is Bhavishri Karmakar. Today I am going to explain the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. I have stick angle A here. I have stick angle B here. I have stick angle C here and I have stick angle D here. When I add all the angles, then I get 360 degree. We are presenting angles.
Hello everyone, I am Abhishek from 7B. Today I am going to do one activity to prove that the sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So here I have cut a triangle. You can see its three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now I am going to cut the three angles. So here I have cut the three angles, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now I am going to arrange them on a line segment. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. So now I have arranged it. You can see that the three angles constitute one angle. This angle is a straight angle and so measure 180 degree. Through this activity, I prove that the measure of the three angles of a triangle, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is 180 degree. Thank you. Hope you all like my video.
Good morning everyone. I am Nidhi Kumari from Standard 6A. Today I am going to explain types of angles. Acute angle measuring less than 90 degree. Right angle measuring exact 90 degree. Obtuse angle measuring greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Straight angle measuring exact 180 degree. Reflex angle measuring greater than 180 degree. Full rotation measuring exact 360 degree. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Bhagyashree from 7B. Today I am going to explain about how to make a cube. This is the net figure of a cube. So let's start making a cube. First we have to fold number 1, then it is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So hence we make a cube from this. By folding the figure we have made the cube. So hence we make a cube by folding the sides. Thank you.